Listen, according to Ohm's law, voltage produced at the terminal is directly proportional to applied current. Okay? If there is no change in physical state of a conductor. Physical state means if the temperature is constant and uh, temperature, pressure, humidity is not changed, then the voltage produced at the terminal is directly proportional to applied current. I am giving the diagram. With the help of diagram, see, this diagram helps you to prove Ohm's law. It is practical work. You should know it also. According to Ohm's law, voltage directly proportional to applied current. V proportional, V is equal to I into R, where R is constant. You can write it in magic triangle also. VIR. The students, to find the value anyone, suppose you want to find the V is equal to I into R. If close V, the value will be clear, I into R. If you want to find I, close I is equal to V by R. And if you want to find R, then R is equal to V by I. Okay? Easily you can find without any doubt. Once again, listen, Ohm's law. Voltage, if there is no change, listen attentively. If there is no change in physical state of a conductor, the voltage applied at the terminals is directly proportional to applied current. I mean, if voltage is increasing, then the current will increasing. If voltage is decreasing, current will decreasing. You will find the graph in your practical work. It is necessary. See, voltage for y-axis and x-axis current I. Suppose that current is 0.1 ampere, 0.2 ampere, 0.3 ampere. The voltage produced is 1 volt. Voltage 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.4. See, in this, see this diagram, ammeter is connected in series, always, understood? Mind it, ammeter will be connected always in series. And voltmeter will connected in parallel to the resistance. This battery, positive terminal is here. Where this one is rheostat. The symbol is rheostat symbol. Variable resistance symbol is this one. Rheostat. You can change the resistance of the circuit with the help of this rheostat and find the different current in circuit, and hence the voltage will be changed according to the current. If you do this experiment in your lab, you will find if there is 0.1 ampere current, the voltage produced at terminal is 1 volt. Then if current becomes 0.2, then the voltage produced will be 2 volt. And likewise, this one also, and this. You, you have to do in lab work. And question is, in your board examination, this type question always comes. See, how to draw the uh, graph between voltage and current according to Ohm's law, and join these points. If this line is straight comes, then it proves that voltage is directly proportional to applied current. Understood, students? One more thing you should know, that what is ammeter and voltmeter? What is difference of ammeter and voltmeter? You will read in your further class that ammeter and voltmeter both are hot wire meter. The same instrument, a single difference is there. Difference is always asked in examinations also. That's why I am explaining what is difference between ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter measures current in circuit and it is connected in series. It is connected in series of the circuit. And voltmeter measures voltage, potential difference in unit volt. Ammeter measures in ampere. Okay? And voltmeter is always connected in parallel. But what is internal difference between ammeter and voltmeter? I want to explain it. Listen, both instruments are equal, hot wire meter. But one thing is difference, the resistance of, resistance of voltmeter is very high and resistance of ammeter is very low. This is the internal difference of ammeter and voltmeter. Students, are you understanding? Raise your hand. Are you understanding? Okay. Ohm's law. And after Ohm's law, resistivity is there. Resistivity, the second part. Ohm's law measures the resistance of the conductor. Ohm's law measures the resistance of circuit. Okay. And resistivity, listen, what is resistivity? Resistivity is resistance of the conductor, which is used in the circuit. The metals are conductors, but all metals having different resistivity due to free electrons. How much free electrons is in respective metal, that much good conductor will be that. For example, silver is best conductor because the free electron found in silver is very high in number as well as very free. Likewise, second number, gold, copper, and aluminum. The best conductor is silver. Afterwards, gold and copper and aluminum is there. Okay. Then resistivity definition is what? Characteristics. The conductor, which metal, by which metal conductor is made, the characteristics of that metal, that characteristics depend upon the free nature of free electrons. Nature of free electrons depend upon the characteristics of metal, and how much free, that much good conductor that will be. Likewise, best conductor for silver, the electron of outermost electron of the silver is very free than other metals, and the number of electrons are also high in number. Okay, and resistivity definition is what? Listen this one attentively. This. See this. unit cubical block of metal, 1 meter, 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, 1 meter height. This is cubical block of metal. This cubical block of metal, suppose that it is copper. The resistivity series is given in your book also. You can see which metal having how much resistance. The definition of resistivity, start writing, write definition. Resistivity, I am telling. Resistivity. Start writing. Definition. The resistance between two opposite faces of unit cubical block of a metal is called resistivity. Listen once again. Definition of resistivity is the resistance between any two opposite faces of unit cubical block of metal is called resistivity. Its SI unit is ohm meter. Ohm meter. Ohm meter. SI unit is ohm meter. Okay. Easy to learn it, easy to understand. This metal may be any metal, and any two opposite faces, between any two opposite faces, the distance is 1 meter and area of each facet is 1 meter square, then the resistivity of the metal will be ohm meter. That is the resistivity. Suppose you want to find the resistivity of silver, you have to take the unit cubical block of silver. You want to find the resistivity of copper, you have to take unit cubical block of copper metal and measure the resistance between any two opposite faces. That resistance will be the resistivity. Okay, ohm meter. Now I am going to find the formula. Resistance of a metal is directly proportional to length of conductor. Length of conductor R is directly proportional to L. Resistance is also directly proportional to cross-sectional area of conductor. Cross-sectional area, listen, suppose this is wire, this thick wire, diameter is this one, and this cross-sectional area, this chalk in one end point, area is cross-sectional area. This cross-sectional area inversely proportional to cross-sectional area, 1 upon A. I mean, if the wire is thicker, then the resistance will be less than thinner. If wire is long, then the resistance will be high. Hence, R proportional L by A, R is equal to rho into L by A, where rho is resistivity of that metal, that is the constant. For different metal conductor, the resistivity will be different, that is the fixed. And it is, the table is given for different metal resistivity in your book also. So you should write here resistivity. Rho is constant. Constant for different metal having different resistivity. Constant. It is known as resistivity. conductor of metal. Okay. And students, you want to ask questions? Okay. Any questions from yourself? Okay. Students.
Sir, the resistivity, definition of resistivity.
Resistivity definition once again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Listen.
sir.
First of all, try to understand this figure. This figure is unit cubical block of metal, maybe any metal. Suppose that this is the copper metal. Copper metal, 1 meter length, 1 meter wide, and 1 meter height is given. This is unit cubical block of metal. Okay. The resistivity of this copper will be according to its characteristics. That characteristics depend upon the resistance between any two opposite faces. The resistance between any two opposite faces of unit cubical block of metal is called resistivity. Once again, the resistance between any two opposite faces of unit cubical block of metal is known as resistivity. Its SI unit is ohm meter. See, this is 1 meter, and how much resistance is ohm meter? That is the SI unit. The conductor's resistivity is very low. That's why they call conductor. Otherwise, they will be insulator or semiconductor. Conductors which are used as a connecting wires in electricity having very less resistance, I mean 10 power minus 6 ohm. 10 power minus 6 ohm range resistance is there in your book. Resistivity of different metals series is given. You can see. Okay. And others?
No, sir.
Okay. Resistivity clear? Ohm's law clear?
Hmm.
One
Yes,
more
sir.
thing I want to
Yes, sir.
tell you that
Hello, sir.
question always comes from ammeter and voltmeter, the least count, what is least count, what is the, how to measure, what is the, not only least count and others, the error, zero error of ammeter or voltmeter. You should know this also because the 1 marks questions are always given this type.
बता दीजिए.
Okay, मैं बताता हूँ अभी.
Excuse me, sir.
Let me explain about ammeter. The reading.
Hello, sir.
How
Excuse
to
me.
the reading of the ammeter or voltmeter.
बताया लगा था.
Ammeter.
Hello.
Listen.
Hello, hi.
See this figure?
अच्छा
If
होता
zero error is there or
Amitar.
not? Zero error.
टीचर बहुत अच्छा है
If there is zero error, no.
Uh-huh.
There is no zero error in this instrument. I am explaining it without
Yes, I
legal
will.
questions are board exam. Figures are given and ask the questions. So see this figure. Question can be asked that if there is zero error in this instrument, no, because the pointer is stayed at zero only. If pointer stay at zero, then there will be no zero error. Understood?
पूरा कपड़ा
Zero error is zero here for this figure, and
पूरा कपड़ा गंदा हो गया।
for same figure, if the pointer comes like this, see, if pointer becomes here, then the zero error will be how much? Then there will be zero error. First figure,
Fahrenheit असल से
see, let me draw the figure, all three figures.
ये सब दिखाई नहीं था।
First figure, this first figure, zero error is zero. For second figure, zero error.
लाइट
Zero. See this figure. If pointer is forward to zero, pointer may be forward, may be backward due to using this instrument always continuous using the spring. This spring may be loose and pointer becomes either forward to zero or backward to zero. If pointer becomes forward to zero, then the zero error will be positive. Listen, learn it. If the pointer becomes forward to zero, then the zero error will be positive. Zero error is plus 1 ampere and multiply it to least count. 1 multiplied to least count. How much? If question is only if there is zero error or not, you will tell yes, it has zero error, and zero error is positive or negative, then your answer will be positive.
ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल
सर खत्म, सर का काम खत्म, बहुत हो गया। नेटवर्क गया दोस्तों।
फिर गए पता नहीं कौन कौन
सुमित
अगर सप्लाइज
विनर विनर
सुमित
पबजी खेल पबजी कौन है भाई बोलो।
गौतम
सर म्यूट कर लिए हैं, सर खुद को म्यूट कर लिए हैं।
वाह सर
क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं सर?
और आप म्यूट कर लिए अपने को।
सर म्यूट सर
सर अनम्यूट कर लीजिए पहले अपने को।
सर अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए। सर को M4 पढ़ रही है, हटाओ यार, आप हो जाएंगे। सर अनम्यूट तो कर लीजिए, पढ़ाए जा रहे हैं।
हेलो सर।
चाय पी लो।
सर क्या हो गया?
सर आवाज फट गया है बच्चे।
प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए सर। सर
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
सर
वॉइस आ ही नहीं रही है।
वॉइस ही नहीं आ रही है तो
सर
क्लियर
वॉइस
कहाँ
नहीं
से
आ रही
आएगा?
है।
कहाँ से आएगा?
अपने को अनम्यूट कर
तो
लीजिए।
लेफ्ट कर दो ना बे।
सर
सर आज इसका कोई पैनल है ये नहीं। क्या बकचोदी कर रहे
आवाज
हैं?
सर
ना किया बकचोदी क्यों कर रहे हो?
लेकिन देखा ले बनी
सर अपने को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए सर।
जो ये पकड़ा है सारे कौन?
अपने आप पे के म्यूट कर लेना
सर अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने को।
हाँ ए, हाथ लाओ मत शुभम गुप्ता।
शुभम
सर
गुप्ता।
म्यूट किए हैं आप, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए
हेलो
सर।
सर।
बोली बोली बिरगू बाबा।
बाबा क्या?
सर पहले अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
समझ में नहीं आया है।
सर
we cannot understand
anything. सर कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था।
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है।
वीडियो म्यूट हो गया है। वीडियो म्यूट हो गया।
सर आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिए हैं। सर आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिए हैं।
कम बोलो।
अनम्यूट कीजिए।
सर पहले अनम्यूट कीजिए तब बोलिए।
सुनाई नहीं
सर
दे रहा है सर,
अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिए हैं सर।
हम लोग को म्यूट कर दिए, आपने अनम्यूट है।
Sir, your voice is not coming.
क्या बरबरा करो तेरे से भाई, तेरी क्लास होना है।
दो गुड फुल होना है।
अच्छी है।
ए तो कितने बड़ा लागल है साहब ने।
हेलो सर। सर वीडियो म्यूट हो गया है।
वो एमीटर सर जानते हैं?
पागल।
हाँ सर। अच्छा सर।
पागल है।
महान है यार।
पढ़ा रहा है
हाँ
भाई,
सर।
नहीं दे रहा है।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
सर बहुत तेज बोल रहे हैं, थोड़ा धीरे बोलिए।
सर प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
सर कान में आवाज गुज रही है।
सर बहरा हो जाऊंगा।
कान दर्द करने
सर मेरे कान से खून निकलने लगा है।
पागल है, पागल है, पागल है, पागल है।
हेलो
हेलो शुभम।
ए गुरुजी बना रहे बड़ा का पूरा। गुरुजी बना रहे इतना तेज क्लास में फर्स्ट है। अरे सर आवाज नहीं आ रही, पढ़ा रहे हैं, मजाक कर रहे हैं।
Sir, your voice is
गाना
not
गाओ यार।
coming.
सर महान है, बहुत महान है।
अरे वाह
सर आप भारत के महान टीचर हैं।
भाई बहुत
अरे पहले तुम ही लोग चुप रहो ना।
रघु चुपचाप। चुप।
हाँ तो बता रहे हैं सर, हम लोग कैसा लिखना पड़ेगा आंसर जो दिखाइए ना।
अरे सर बारिश होने लगी।
सभी लोग आम बिनने।
Sir, we cannot listen anything.
हेलो
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
पागल है।
को अभी ऑप्शन डिसेबल कर दिए हैं।
सर आयुष शांत दिखा रहा है।
हेलो सर, क्या बता रहे हैं सर? कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, म्यूट हो गया है।
वो खुद बताएं।
Sir, voice is not coming.
गुंजान नाइस।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
गुंजान
खत्म कर देंगे और कुछ समझ में भी नहीं आएगा।
आई लाइक यू।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
भाई आराम से
सारी रेस भी कर दी, आवाज भी नहीं आ रही है। छोड़ यार।
कितना करना सर?
अरे कल फिर पूछा जाएगा।
कथा संपन्न हुई।
सर म्यूट करके बोल रहे हैं। हेलो सर। हेलो
Voice is
सर।
not coming, sir.
सर म्यूट करके बोल रहे हैं।
म्यूट कर दिया है। कोई बात नहीं, देख लेना यूट्यूब पर।
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हमारी जा रही है ना। चेक करो, पूछो बताएं।
आउट गोइंग है, इनकमिंग नहीं है।
सर इनकमिंग चालू करिए।
बोलो रिचार्ज लगा दे। सर हम लोग को
Voice
लिप
is
रीडिंग का
not
क्लास सिखा रहे हैं।
सर पहली बार तेज बोल रहे हैं भाई।
इतना तेज बोल रहे हैं, रहने दो। सर इतना तेज बोल रहे हैं, क्यों बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं?
हाय स्नेहा।